So you want to install Python on your Windows 11 PC? Well, you're in the right place. There are 3 steps in this video that will help you successfully and easily install Python on your computer. In step 1, we're going to install the latest version of Python. Go to your web browser and search for python.org/downloads, or use the link in the description. The website automatically detects your computer's operating system. Now to begin, all you have to do is hit download and wait for the exe file to finish downloading. Once it's done, double click the exe file and you will receive a pop-up like this one. Once you receive this pop-up, before hitting install, what you want to do is click this radio button that says add Python exe to path. Once you've done that, click install. Once it's done, just click close, and you have finished the first step in installing Python. Now let's move on to step 2. In step 2, we're going to install PyCharm. I suggest you use PyCharm because it's specialized for Python only. It has lots and lots of features that help you become a better programmer. To begin, all you have to do is go to jetbrains.com/PyCharm or use the link in the description. Just click the download button once the website turns on. Click download, and again the website will automatically detect your operating system. As you can see, it says Windows for me right here. Now you want to scroll down and click download for the Python Community Edition because it's open source and it's free. But the PyCharm Professional option has subscriptions for it. I mean, I would take this over the PyCharm Professional because this is free. I mean, who doesn't like free stuff? So just click download and wait until the exe file completes downloading. As you can see, I'm going to wait until this Python Community Edition completes downloading. When the file is downloaded, double click on the exe file. Then you see a pop-up again. Just click next. Again, click next. I suggest you select this PyCharm Community Edition to create a desktop shortcut. It makes life very simple. I can easily click on my desktop and I can access PyCharm from there. And finally, just hit install. And this should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Once it's done, you should receive a pop-up saying welcome to PyCharm Community Edition setup. Just click next. We hit create PyCharm Community Edition shortcut, install. Now this should take another 2 to 3 minutes. Once it's done, just click finish. Now it's time for step 3, which is to test if everything is working. Let's open PyCharm and you'll see a brief introduction or pop-up. As you can see, a pop-up states welcome to PyCharm. Now let's create a new project folder and make sure to check that the latest version of Python is selected. We want the latest version of Python that's in the system and the one that we did in step 1. Then all we have to do is click create. Now it has successfully created our Python project folder that's linked with the Python exe file that we downloaded in step 1. If you see a pop-up about Windows Defender, click fix and click configure automatically. Other than that, let's create a Python project in the folder that we created. Right click and then click new, Python file. I'm going to say demo.py. Now let's just print hello world to test that everything is indeed working. So print hello world. Now let's hit run, and as you can see, we receive hello world in the console, which shows that we've successfully installed Python and PyCharm, and we've combined both of them to create a Python interpreter. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you were able to install Python on your computer. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you next time.